As Bruce Wayne understood in Batman Begins, people need dramatic examples to shake them out of apathy. And I can't do that as Bruce Wayne. As a man, I'm flesh and blood. I can be ignored. I can be destroyed. But as a symbol, I can be incorruptible. I can be everlasting. Jesus chose an unstable disciple to become his first symbol of his restorative power and tasked him with using that which he had learned but had not yet understood to be a blessing to his brothers.
Yes.
If it was just Peter, and just Peter being Peter, he could be ignored. But Peter got elevated to a symbol of just how faithful God's love is, just how understanding God can be, just how patient he is, and the fact that he can restore you even when you should be dismissed and condemned to hell. Mm-hmm. While we may think that there are other people who are more qualified, less damaged, carry less baggage, are more stable, have a less sordid history, God chose us.
Yes, he did.
We may think somebody else is more qualified. Somebody else would be a better advocate. Somebody else looks the part more. Somebody else doesn't have the scars and the baggage and the issues that I have. But God chose us. He restored us. He preserved us. He dispensed his grace to us, and we owe it to him to bring somebody else along. We are to be his symbol, his point of contact with people to shake them out of apathy, dependency, despondency, and complacency.
Yes.
Peter's struggle with strength made him eminently qualified to minister to those who were weak. His struggle with stability made him eminently qualified to minister to those who were unstable.
Yes.
His faithfulness to his relationship with Christ in the face of having failed him made him eminently qualified to minister to those who have failed God. He was not qualified because he had been weak, or because he had been unstable, or because he had failed. Rather, he was qualified because he found strength, stability, and restoration in the love and grace of God. Mm-hmm. I was weak, but I found God's strength, and now I'm strong. I was unstable, but I found God's love, and now I have found a little bit more stability. Your struggle does not disqualify you. When the grace of God is applied to it, it becomes a testimony that you can overcome.
Yes. Yeah.
You know, I can't minister to somebody. I got too many things messed up. People can't get to know God through me. I got too many issues. I can't be a beacon for God. I can't be an advocate for God. I'm not intelligent enough. I got too many issues. I'm in counseling. I'm on psych meds. I can't go talk to somebody about God. It is the grace of God applied to your dysfunction that stands as a testimony that he overcomes all.
Jesus.
That he has power over everything. That he is the deliverer despite whatever issues and failures and traps and issues and complexes and psychoses you may be struggling with. He is a sustainer. He is a keeper. He is an uplifter. He is a mender. He is a deliverer. He is a healer. And he can help you.
Yes, he can.